The pros and cons of selling a home as is. Okay, have you thought about selling your home but don't want to make the repairs needed to get it ready to sell? Well, stay tuned because that's what we're going to talk about today, and it starts right now. I'm Dale Mancini.
And I'm Marilyn Dale.
And we are your property couple in real estate, realtors with Keller Williams Realty. We service the North Allegheny, Butler areas from Shaler all the way to Zelienople and everywhere in between. But first, please hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our videos which we publish every Monday.
Selling a home as is doesn't automatically mean the house is in bad condition. It's a legal term meaning you are not making any repairs or providing any warranties. The buyer gets the home exactly as is in its current state. Buyers may still ask you to make repairs, however you can refuse, but we will talk more about that later. This doesn't mean you're exempt from providing the buyers with a seller's disclosure though. You must disclose any issues about the property to the best of your knowledge. Pennsylvania law requires you still must fill out a seller's disclosure form. That covers specific topics relating to the condition of the property to a prospective buyer prior to them signing the agreement of sale. The disclosure form covers everything from roofs to basements to furnace and more. If you know about any problems with any of the items on the form, it's unlawful to conceal them.
So, who's most likely will want to or need to sell their home as is? Most likely an estate sale where the owner has passed away and the beneficiary does not have the money to make the repairs, or the seller may be in debt and has no money to make the necessary repairs. So, here are the pros and the cons of selling a home as is.
It's a seller's market. The current real estate market is a seller's market which can make affordable homes hard to find. This high-priced competitive market makes buying a fixer-upper a more attractive option to many buyers. However, keep in mind, selling a home as is will drive down the price, and the home will need to be priced accordingly. Also, the buyer wants to feel that they are getting a deal. So, expect offers below your asking price unless there is a bidding war with multiple offers, and that is a good situation to have.
No repair costs. When you make it clear that you're selling your home as is, it's generally understood you won't be making any repairs. If your home needs a new furnace, a roof, or other expensive repairs that simply aren't in your budget, you don't have to figure out how to afford them. However, even though the cost of the repairs will drive down the sale price of your home, you can still profit from the sale.
Easier selling process. Selling a home as is takes a lot of responsibility off the seller. If you're not able to take on any repairs and renovations, staging, open houses, and other preparatory stages, selling your home as is can make the process easier.
The cons of selling your home as is. Selling a home as is isn't the best option for everyone, but it can make the home selling process easier in some cases. If you're not sure whether to sell your home as is or pursue a traditional sale, ask a realtor. Experienced real estate agents have worked with all types of home sales and can point you in the right direction based on your home and the needs.
Lower sale price. A lower sales price is the biggest drawback of selling a home as is. Obviously, the home won't get the same sale price as a fully repaired and remodeled competing home. The severity of the repairs will determine how much lower the sale price ultimately is. A real estate agent can help you with pricing your home and list it fairly if you're not sure. Also, we initially mentioned most buyers will have a home inspection. Even knowing up front that the house is being sold as is does not prevent the buyer from having a home inspection and asking for repairs or price reduction. You can always refuse, but the downside of this is now you will have to disclose in the seller's disclosure any issues found on the inspection. This may scare future buyers, so most of the times it's best to negotiate with the current buyers and come to an agreement that's workable for both parties.
Buyer distrust. Sellers are required to disclose problems, but buyers know that not everyone follows the law, or in the case of an estate, the beneficiary may not know if there's anything wrong with the house or if it requires repairs. Also, to a lot of buyers, as is means something's wrong with the house and will lower their offer based on the problems that they don't know may exist. Getting past the distrust is possible, but it can be a significant barrier.
Limited buyers. Fixer-uppers attract buyers ready for a project, but many other buyers may not be interested. If the necessary repairs are significant, the condition of the home might also make it difficult to get financing, which will drive away all but the cash buyers.
Haggling. Seasoned home flippers make a business out of selling fixer-uppers, and these industrious buyers will probably make an offer as low as possible. With buyers starting at low ball prices, you have to bring sharp negotiating skills to the table to keep the buyer interested and still get a good price. If you're not sure about this step, bring an experienced real estate agent to negotiate on your behalf.
So, hopefully all this information has been of some help to you deciding which direction is best for you. If you have any questions or like for us to evaluate your home and help you price it, please feel free to contact us. And also watch the next video, which is the best time to sell your house, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Again,
I am Dale Mancini.
And I am Marilyn Wasso.
And we are realtors with Keller Williams Realty.
Thank you for watching.